Today we will be seeing the stocks which have gained in the recent days. PVR Ltd gained for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 2044 rupees and 70 paise, up 1.15% around 1 pm on the NSE. PVR Ltd has added around 11.14% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.16 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 6.36 lakh shares in last 1 month. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited rose for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 214 rupees and 35 paise, up 1.76% around 1 pm on the NSE. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has gained around 1.54% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 53.01 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 114.77 lakh shares in last 1 month. Ratnamani Metals and Tubes Limited is up for a third straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 1691 rupees and 40 paise, up 2.16% around 1 pm on the NSE. Ratnamani Metals and Tubes Limited has slipped around 32.9% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 12,839 shares today, compared to the daily average of 55,690 shares in last 1 month. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Ltd is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 243 rupees and 85 paise, up 1.65% around 1 pm on the NSE. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Ltd has risen around 14.54% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 67.43 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 52.97 lakh shares in last 1 month. Bajaj Finance Ltd is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 7,024 rupees and 40 paise, up 9.82% around 1 pm on the NSE. Bajaj Finance Ltd has gained around 27.42% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 46.4 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 10.57 lakh shares in last 1 month. Bajaj Auto Ltd is down for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,879 rupees, down 0.12% around 1 pm on the NSE. Bajaj Auto Ltd has added around 0.3% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2.51 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 4.49 lakh shares in last 1 month. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.